top 5 who have scored highest in the general studies, top 5 students of general studies. So, in this minimum 2 to 3 out of 5 you will see from geography optional. Geography covers so many aspects. For example, if you are taking paper 1, if you talk about society, urban problems, globalization and impacts, tribes and the specific problems. So, if you see paper 1, social issues chapter, there you will see a lot of geography. And if you see paper 3, like cropping pattern, PDS, productivity, irrigation, environment, environmental degradation, security issues. So, here also you have so much of geographical basis. And in geography optional, you will be studying various political theories such as the Mackinder theory, Spikeman theory, okay, this Rimland theory, Heartland theory. You will be studying all these theories. So, that will help you immensely in your GS. And coming to paper 3, you study the pipeline networks, transportation networks, logistics, etc. So, that is why it will be helping you a lot in GS paper 3 as well. Next comes the GS 4. In GS 4, every year you get a case study saying that you are a district collector posted in Mandi district of Himachal, and this district has received flash floods. In such situation, what kind of steps you will be taking? Such kind of questions will also be asked. If you are putting so many people of different optional subjects, and if you randomly give them any topic which is not very much inherent to their subject, means एक पब वाले को ले लो, सोशियोलॉजी को ले लो, पॉलिटिकल साइंस वाले को ले लो, मैथमेटिक्स वाले को ले लो एंड ज्योग्राफी वाले को ले लो, पांचों को एक जगह बिठाओ एंड कोई भी टॉपिक दे दो ग्रुप डिस्कशन के लिए, देन सबसे ज़्यादा बोलने वाला ज्योग्राफी वाला होगा, बिकॉज ए ज्योग्राफर ऑलमोस्ट स्टडीज एवरीथिंग. The question paper has become comparatively easy, and moreover the competition has reduced here. Now today you have less candidates competing in geography optional, and the question papers also have become easy. So this is where you have an advantage. So for at least next 3 to 4 years, at least I am saying, it will be minimum 5 years, geography will have good times. It will have good times, how you should study. And when you have a scientific subject, then naturally all the engineers will be taking this subject, and for this subject you have many sources. Sources are many, teachers are also many. When the sources are many, the teachers are many, so you will have different opinions. You have different opinions. Different type of content will be there in the market. Different type of content or material will be there in the market. Basically, you will be surrounded by sea full of materials. बहुत सारा मटेरियल आपके आसपास होगा. Now let's take candidate A. He is hardworking, he studies very hard, sincere भी है, थोड़ा बहुत दिमाग भी है. So what A will be doing is that, so A will be venturing into all these different materials. So they will read a sea of materials, ये बुक वो बुक, बहुत सारे बुक्स पढ़ेगा. So what happens here is that they won't be able to remember anything. The preparation is not consolidated. When the preparation is not consolidated, you won't be able to make a mental map of any topic. You won't be able to remember any topic. Basically, here the entire preparation gets diluted. पूरा dilute हो जाएगा. आप कुछ भी चीज़ remember नहीं कर पाओगे. So if you won't able to remember anything, you won't be able to reproduce in the examination. Now there is a candidate B who will be reading limited material, say my class notes, and B will be revising this thing again and again, and B will also apply the current affairs to these topics. Since B will be studying a limited material, B will be able to make a better mental map. B will have a clear picture of all these things. दिमाग में छप जाता है. Why? Because B को पता है मुझे limited material पढ़ना है, and इस limited material को मुझे remember करना है, and then examination में reproduce करना है. So when you'll be reading newspapers, or when you'll be coming across your current affair booklets, you'll be able to pick up the relevant points which are applicable to your topics, and UPSC will be awarding you marks more for application. खुद को clarity नहीं होता यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. So what we'll be doing is this. I'll give you a consolidated notes. Since it is your own handwritten notes, you'll be able to understand it very easily. In fact, in the class itself, you'll remember more than 50% of the things. In fact, if somebody is doing any of my GS classes, you know my method of teaching. It's highly logical. Everything is crystal clear. कितना भी complicated topic हो, I will make things crystal clear. You will not have any doubts at all. When you'll be going through the newspapers on daily basis, you'll be able to apply the things better also. All the books and I'll be giving in the class. And geography optional is very huge. The kind of topics given by the UPSC in geography optional is very vast. If you keep preparing for all this exhaustively, you won't be able to remember anything, and you won't be able to reproduce anything in the examination. And apply karna to bhul hi jao. So that's why the class notes would suffice to you.